Hey everyone, welcome back to London Grub Kitchen. Today I'm showing you one of my favorite dish, crispy fried chicken, toasted in our rich smoky barbecue chipotle sauce. Let's go. First I fry the chicken until golden and super crispy. It's coated with my special season flour to give that perfect crunch. Juicy on the inside, crispy on the outside. Now here come the magic. I coat it in my homemade barbecue sauce, Chipotle sauce. It's smoky, sweet and little spicy. And I stick beautiful to every pieces. Just look at the shiny. Just look at the shiny. This is perfect for parties, burger, wraps, or just on the own. It's a finger licking good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow London Grub Kitchen for more real food made with heart. See you in the next one.